Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Salem Rain, and today we're making cucumber salad, a super simple, classic salad. It all starts with the cucumbers. Here I have 2 English cucumbers that I've already prepared. All I did was simply wash the cucumbers and slice them up into thin pieces. I stacked them up and then cut them in half, creating a half-moon shape. And I sprinkled a teaspoon of salt over top and then mixed it all up together. I covered the bowl and stuck it in the fridge. This is called sweating. What we want to do is try to draw out as much of the extra moisture that we can from the cucumbers. The bowl of cucumbers stayed in the fridge for a half hour to an hour. I dumped them out into a salad spinner, spun them around really well with the moisture drawn out so that when we add the creamy dressing, we're not left with a soupy mess. Let's make the dressing. Here I have a half of a cup of sour cream. I'm going to put that in this smallish sized bowl. I have a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Dump that in. A tablespoon of honey. Here I have 1 shallot that I have also very thinly sliced into half-moon shapes, just like the cucumbers. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. A 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. A half of a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped dill. I like to whisk it. Dump the dressing into your bowl of cucumbers. Give it a good mix. And that's it. I'm going to transfer this over to a more attractive bowl. So fresh, bright, tangy, super delicious. The dill, the lemon, the sour cream, and the honey work beautifully. This is a fantastic, simple summer side. I hope you enjoyed this super easy recipe. See you again next time.